Hi, everyone. Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. If you're like me, you've learned how to make tuna salad heavy on the mayonnaise, but this version is very low on the mayonnaise, very light, and very flavorful. Let me show you how it's done. First, you'll need 1 can of tuna that has been drained from the excess water, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried dill, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and finally, half a tablespoon of diced red onion. You can do more than half a tablespoon, but I find that a little bit of onion usually goes a long way. This tuna salad is very moist. There's a good amount of liquid in it, which really helps our post-op patients tolerate this salad really well. If you want it to be a little bit more dry, just really squeeze out that juice from the canned tuna before you start adding all the other ingredients. And then for plating, I just put a little bit of fresh baby spinach in the bottom for color contrast, and it actually tastes good together. And we're just gonna scoop a little bit of the tuna salad on top for a nice presentation. And that is it, everybody. This is extremely simple. It's low in fat, yet incredibly flavorful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.